Jim here again. Welcome to this Cryptohopper video. Today I'm going to show you the Cryptohopper low risk swing trading strategy results after 2 days. And I'm not too impressed, to be honest. Let's bring on Bertie Bot. Okay, so in my previous video a couple of days ago I said that I would bring a 24-hour update on this strategy. It's the 4-hour candles. Let me just show you the video actually to my channel here. Okay, it's this one here. How to build a low risk blah 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 trading strategy using the 4-hour candles it was. Alright, and we set it up using the Mesa and the what else was it? Mesa and the Williams %R indicators. All right, and I don't know why it says minus like $9, because it's not lost anything. It's had one trade where it sold at 5%, 6%. If you look at the trading history, this is after 2 days running, guys. It'll actually be 2 days in about 1 hour from now. 6 p.m. I started this 2 days ago, and it's now 5 p.m. 2 days later. So it's 47 hours running. As you can see, it's bought a few. It took a really long time to buy some of them. Like a long time. Like some of them came in yesterday. Look, this is the 8th. Today is the 9th. It's not bought any today yet that you can see. No. So it started on the, there you go, 5:50. So it was 10 to 6 p.m. Yeah, 10 minutes before 6 p.m. Alright, so we're now like just shy of 50 minutes away from, is it 50 minutes? Yeah, another 50 minutes and it will be exactly 48 hours. So it bought Bitcoin straight away, as you remember in the last video. Alright, and it hasn't sold it yet. It's going slow, and I really cannot understand why this says 991. That should be up in profit. There's no losses at all. However, that aside, I don't like this strategy. It's just too slow and too, you know, I want to be in and out of trades more quickly. Look at how long. Look, that's 47 hours. That's the Bitcoin position it bought 47 hours ago. It's only 2.13% in profit, so it hasn't hit the trailing stop loss at 7.5. So what can we do? I'm going to tweak it, guys. I'm going to tweak it. I'm not going to bother with that discrepancy there. I don't know how that happened. I really don't. I put $1,000 in. Now it's saying 999.99. Maybe it's this calculation here. Reset profit. Maybe that. Let's have a look. See if that. No, that's not done anything. But anyway. Alright, so let's tweak this. Alright. Let's go to back to the strategies. And let's change it from the 4-hour candles right down to the 30-minute candles, shall we? Click on your strategies here. New strategy. Alright. 30-minute Mesa Williams and it's, what's the date? The date is the 9th, isn't it? 9th of March 2024. Just copy that here. Let's tweak this. Let's improve it. Alright, Mesa adaptive moving average. Alright, necessary signal, leave it on the defaults, but change that to 30 minutes. Alright, close that. Now Williams R. Alright, necessary signal, change that, 30 minutes. Close. Now save. Easy, right? Now back to the bot. Back to the bot. Go into the config. Choose a strategy from here to that 30-minute one. Where is it? Mesa. Look for the 30-minute. There you go. That's the one we've just created. That's why I've given it a date, so I can pick it out easily. Alright. Number of targets to buy, 5. I'm going to say 10. Alright. Click on save. So now that strategy is switched. A couple more tweaks. I'm going to go down to trailing stop loss here. I'm going to reduce this slightly. I'm going to say, alright, because it's on the 30-minute candles, I'm not expecting big moves on each single trade, if that makes any sense. I'm going to go 3%, 0.5% drop. Alright, so it's going to arm the trailing stop loss at 3%, and if it drops down to 2.5%, it will sell. However, it could follow, could go all the way up, without dropping 0.5% down, and we could capture 4%, 5%, 6%, maybe more. It just depends when there is a dip of 0.5%, and then it will sell. Click save. Back to buy settings. Max open time buy, 20 positions. Let's tweak this. Cool down period, I'm going to reduce that to 1 hour. And, you know, I'm just doing this on the fly, guys. This is not, you know, it's not something that's set in stone. I could have it every 2 hours, could have it an hour, could have it 30 minutes. Could have 20 positions, could have 25, could have 15. We're trying to find a sweet spot with this. This is just tweaking it, so I'm going to save that. Coins and amounts. I'm going to increase it. I'm going to go for $15. So 1.5% of 1,000 is $15. Let's just put that up by clicking this here. There you go, that's near enough. Type in 15 here. Leave this unchecked, don't check it, and don't put anything in there. Now, the way to limit your bot from spending more money than you want it to spend is, let's say you've got $1,000 total in your funds and you don't want it to go beyond $500. You would type $500 in there. And once you've got $500 in the game, $500 of skin in the game, it won't use any more of your money. Alright? That makes sense? So I leave that blank because I want it to use all of what's available, but it's not going to be able to use everything anyway because I've only got 20 positions of $15 each. Let's do a little calculation. 20 positions times $15 equals $300. Okay, so that leaves us $700 in our reserve funds out of that 1,000. What if we need to DCA? Well, let's have a look at the DCA settings. Should put that aside. Alright, it's going to DCA at 7.5% down. Alright, so I'm going to tweak that to 10%. It has to drop 10% before there's a DCA. Alright, I'm going to put this to a couple of hours. Alright, and it's going to double down. Alright, so that should be fairly effective. Anything else? Sell settings. Alright, I'll leave that as it is. No stop loss, no sell strategy, it's using trailing stop loss. Strategy, make sure it's 30 minutes. Yep, okay. Coins and amounts, buy settings, okie dokie. I think we're good to go. Back to the dashboard. Boom. Since I've changed the strategy, look at that. 2 minutes, boom, it's buying more now because it's working more frequently. Now, I want to tweak this. I don't know where the heck that $9 has gone. I don't understand it. So I'm going to deposit $10. bring that back to the 1,000 that it should be at. That's more like it. I'm going to edit that. And that's near enough. That'll do for me. That's good. Alright. $1.04. Oh, we've had 2 sells, look. Cool. Because we changed the trailing stop loss, that has activated that one. Alright. What was it? 3%? Yeah, 3% with a 0.5% drop. So it must have been just over 3% when we changed this here and decided to sell it. Alright. 3 minutes old and it's already 1 point something % down. Let's have a look at that trailing stop buy. Alright, 1%. Let's go 1.25% down. I've got a video on trailing stop buy. If you want to have a look at that, have a look through my, just search for trailing stop buy in my channel and you'll find out how that works and what it does. Okay, back to the dashboard. So that is that strategy tweaked. Now, I'm going to leave this running for another 24 hours and I'll try to bring you an update at, what time? Oh, 6 PM tomorrow, shall we say? So that will be this strategy kind of cheating because we're tweaking it. We're tweaking it after 2 days because I'm not impressed with the results on the 4 hours. Look at that. Look at that. Look how much that's dropped. Let's have a look why. Yeah, look at this drop here. That's mad. Alright. Is Bitcoin dropping? No, not really. It's tiny bit. Nothing significant. In fact, it looks like it's going to curl back up and start going up. And this Bollinger Bands are squeezing tight. So that usually means an explosive move is coming, either to the upside or the downside. I don't know. You see, when it squeezes, look at the Bollinger Bands getting close together like this. And then boom. Yeah? It can go to the downside as well. It doesn't have to go up. So these Bollinger Bands are squeezing, they'll get tighter and tighter, and then eventually it's like a pressure cooker. Boom. Alright, so look at that. That's disgusting. Why did it buy? That's what you think when this happens. Why the hell did it buy? Well, things changed after we bought. Things can change. Alright guys, I will see you again in the next video or in the secret source. What is the secret source? The secret source gives you access to my strategy where you can get your bot configured just right, just in the sweet spot to make 1.05% average profit per day on top of your $1,000 or your $500 or your $10,000, whatever you put in the bot. And as you know from the compounding videos that I've done, you can make massive profits at 1.05% per day average. And like I always have to say this, guys, you don't start the secret source and switch on the bot and then see that it's made minus 0.5% in the first day. I did say it's an average. Alright, you let it run for a month and you get, say, 30% profit, 35%, 40% profit in a month from your total funds. That's running well. That's like 1.05% profit average per day. Yeah. Some days the market goes sideways, some days the market goes down. You buy in and it goes against you. It's just the way the market is. But in the long run, you're going to do well at 1.05% average. Alright? Links down below in the description. As you can see, free access to the secret source settings if you want those 1.05% averages. and my help via Skype. Now, Telegram isn't going so well. I can't really figure it out properly, but I'm trying. All right, I'm quite new to it, and I think it's a bit clunky and weird. Discord is even worse. Oh my god. Anyway, so if you want my help getting set up and the secret source, and you want a discount, maybe this is still active, Jim Cryptohopper, you get a discount on your first subscription. I'm not sure how much it is. Don't know if it's 5%, 10%, 25%. I really don't know. That's if it's still working, because my affiliate manager told me that he will be, it expires after a certain amount of time, and I've got to go and ask him again to give me another discount code, yeah? Because this isn't going to last forever, this Jim Cryptohopper discount code, unless I keep at him every month or so, Can I have another discount coupon code for my referrals, please? I've got to refresh it every month, all right? So, and there's no guarantee of being allowed it, So, if you want free access, secret source, my help on Skype / maybe Telegram, get Cryptohopper using my link below the video. Click that link. There's instructions on how to contact me on Skype. Add me on Skype. Tell me you've bought Cryptohopper. You're not on the trial. You can't have the secret source on the Cryptohopper free trial, guys. No way. Alright. So you can get a discount as well. Click that link below this video. And I will see you again in the secret source. Please like, comment and subscribe, and I'll bring you an update tomorrow, 24 hours ish from now, and see how well this is doing. Look at all these buys. Oh my god. Alright. Zalika's doing well. Has the trailing stop loss kicked in? Yes, it has. So if it drops 0.5% down, so that'd be 3.32%, it'll sell, and I'll get my little profit. And that's only an $11 position, so it's going to be, if it sells now at this rate. Oh, I think it already has just sold. Has it sold? There you go. Trailing stop loss. Alright, so it obviously went up to 4.2% at one point while I was talking to you guys. There you go. That's how it works. It's cool, isn't it? Alright, so if you want my help and the secret sauce, below the video, guys. Get in there. Get in for this bull run. You're going to do really well. I took $630 all the way up to 25k in the last bull run doing the secret sauce. Alright? And I could have done better. I will give you some tweaks to the secret sauce to take a bit more profit on each trade. Alright? Because last time I wasn't taking enough profit, I was selling too soon, and I still made 25k, or 24.5k, because I went from $630. Alright, and I'm going to show you how to do it all as well. Now, if you're going from more than $630 and you're using my secret sauce from the beginning, you should do better than me. I'll be very surprised if you don't do better than me. Alright, so anyway, I will see you again next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and share this video to anybody you think would like this on social media. Alright? Have you got any friends who are interested in crypto? Go for it, guys. Share it. It helps the channel grow. Let's grow this into a massive channel. How many subscribers now? I think 1,591. Let's see if we can get to 2k soon. Alright? See you in the next video or in the secret sauce, guys. Take care. Let's bring on Bertie Bot. Bye bye, guys.